Hi everyone, this is just a quick video on how you can unzip Mass Optimizer once you have downloaded it from the members area. If you don't have Unzip, simply go to Google and type in download Unzip. Simply click on the first tab to free download. Click the download and then install Unzip. If you don't want to use Unzip and you want to use WinRAR instead, simply do the same thing. Type in download WinRAR, click on the first option, download WinRAR, select your locations in your language and download it to your computer. Install that and you will be set to go. So once you have WinRAR or Unzip downloaded, what you need to do is highlight, right click on the application name and say extract files here. Click OK. Let the software unzip the folder and then you will have a folder called Mass Optimizer version 5.6. This may be different in your version, but the process will be exactly the same. In the next video, I will walk you through how to install Mass Optimizer using the setup.exe file.